these are cheap. All right, so I got this on a roll, so cut that across right there. What you want to do here is you want to go slow when you pull this apart. All right, so you're gonna separate this. This is real sticky right here. So you want to just go all around here first and peel it slow. Just peel it slow. All right. Okay, there we go right here. So now we're gonna position this right here in front, right there. Then you want to kind of squeegee this off. Get that real smooth right there. All right. Now you can peel this up right here. You're gonna peel that up. Like so. Go slow. Just go with the tension. Don't just rip it. This is not a DTF. You want to go slow when you do this. See there? You just want to go slow. And see right here, I see a little piece right here that wants to come up. Just go back right here. Now what you want to do, since this is doing that, where something wants to come up, you want to go from the opposite way. Go from the opposite way to stop that. All right. Just go from the opposite way. Just pull, remember, just pull, go slow, you ain't in a rush. All right, so bam, we got that. All right, so then you want to make your box. You want to make your box. Fairly simple. Put this together. Go like so. You're gonna flip this right here, fold this. Do this other side right here. Bring this out. You're gonna have to fold this over that right there. So see how we got that like that. So now you're ready to go. You go ahead and fold that down like that. All right. So now you got your box to put in, you know, put your shirt in. All right. So then what you do, let's put this off to the side. What you want to do, you want to fold your shirt. Now I got a shirt folder and it works way better than what I'm about to do here, okay? But I'm just showing you something. Let's get to kind of speed it up. Fold that over like that. Could probably even do a better job than what I'm doing, but it's okay, y'all. Just trying to give y'all an idea what it looks like in the box. So we got that. Then you're going to go up with it right here. Go up. And then you're gonna fold this back down one more time. Like that. Alright. So then, man, here we go. You put it on the inside right here. Now, I could do a lot better job than folding it, right? But you get my point. It's presentation. Put that in there. Fold this down. Then you close this box up. Alright. So sometimes this stuff wants to, these are new boxes, so sometimes you have to go in here and do some wiggling to get this to close. I got one side right there, got that side right here. So then, bam. Alright, got a box right here ready to go. But let's take it one step further. When you sell into a, you can mail it out like this is cool, but let's say if somebody, one of your friends, or you want to give this gift away, you have some stickers right here. You have stickers, and what you can do is real quick, you can have these on deck, these little shopping bags, the black shopping bags. These are pretty cheap on Amazon. Black shopping bag, take this away right here. All right, you fold that. Take this off right here. Then you put this right here. Some lines would be right here, probably on the back, to kind of guide you. Smooth that out. All right, smooth that out. Now you can get like some black tissue paper to put in here. This makes a good gift. They love you for it. See how we throw that in there? So, got the box, shirt in here, throw that in there. Ready to go. Okay. Hey, if you're new to the channel, like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna have a bunch of tutorials like this. This is about presentation, y'all. Y'all want to look y'all best out here because it's competition out here, and you want to set yourself aside from everybody else. All right. Hope it's not too loud with that bag ripping up. But until the next time, I'm out. It's that heat press hustle. Later.